homeowner. If you've been in your home for over 10 years, the odds are that your home equity has grown significantly. Hi, we're John and Claire Hickey of Engel and Voelkers Real Estate.
Home equity builds over time as home values grow and you pay down your mortgage. And since home prices have not drastically reduced over the last couple of years, you most likely have gained a very good amount of equity in your home. According to Equity Insights report, the average U.S. homeowner has more than $274,000 in equity right now, and California homeowners usually have even more equity than that.
With this much equity, you can put your equity to good use and reach your goals. You might buy a home that fits your needs. As a seller, downsizing might be an option that you've been thinking about, or perhaps you need a bigger space.
Either way, you can put your equity towards a down payment, or you can pay off higher bills. As a seller, you may feel that you cannot afford to move due to your debt. But did you know that using your equity to pay off some larger debts, such as car loans, can help offset a higher mortgage rate?
You might also reinvest in your current home, making renovations in your current home. If you're not ready to move, is a great option and can be a long-term benefit to your home value when you are ready to sell.
The bottom line is equity can be a game changer in your life and goals. If you'd like to know the current value of your home to see how much equity you actually have, feel free to connect with us so we can prepare a comparative market evaluation for your property.
We're John and Claire Hickey of Engel and Voelkers. We love guiding you home.